Hola estudiantes, so this tutorial is going to be to show you how to know or to ensure that you will receive credit for Quizlet. The first thing you need to do is look in the upper right hand corner to see if you are logged in or not. If you are not logged in, you will not receive credit because there's no way for me to see if you have done any of the sets. So the second thing is to go to your class and to open. One way is to open the set that you've done. The easiest route, though, is to go to the third option here, or maybe the second. I'm not sure if you guys have premium content, but you're going to go, regardless, to the section labeled Your Studied Sets. The page will refresh, and then here at the title, you're going to click Studied. And from here, it will open up all the sets. So what you are looking for is an icon that is bolded and that has that green circle, and it clearly says that you finished the set on such a date. If you have this icon, that means that you started a study mode, but you did not finish it or complete it. And so you would be awarded partial credit for that. So it does not matter which icon as long as you see the bolded icon with the green circle. So I hope that helps. Adios.